Are you ready to unlock the secrets of building a brand that leaves a lasting impression? Today, we delve into the world of brand positioning, where the magic of marketing meets the minds of consumers. Get ready for a journey into the heart of branding brilliance. Brand positioning isn't just about standing out, it's about standing out with purpose. It's the art of carving a unique space in the minds of your audience and making your brand unforgettable. But why does brand positioning matter? Let's break it down. Picture this: in a sea of competitors, how do you ensure your brand gets noticed? Brand positioning holds the key to differentiation. Imagine your brand as a beacon in the night, guiding customers straight to your doorstep. That's the power of effective brand positioning. It's your ticket to increasing brand awareness and capturing the hearts of your audience. But wait, there's more. Building a strong brand image isn't just about recognition, it's about building trust and loyalty. When your brand resonates with your audience on a deeper level, you foster lasting connections that keep them coming back for more. So how do you create a brand that stands tall amidst the competition? It all starts with understanding your market and target audience. Dive deep into market research, analyze your competitors, and uncover the unique value your brand brings to the table. Next up, crafting your brand message. This isn't just any message, it's the heartbeat of your brand, the essence of what you stand for. Keep it clear, concise, and consistent across all channels to ensure it resonates with your audience and leaves a lasting impression. Now let's talk about positioning your brand in the market. This is where the magic happens, where you define your space and stake your claim. Compare your value and messaging with competitors, identify your unique selling proposition, and carve out your niche in the market landscape. Need some inspiration? Look no further than the giants of e-commerce, Amazon.com and Alibaba.com. With their unwavering commitment to brand positioning, they've become household names, synonymous with convenience, variety, and trust. Now it's your turn. Armed with the branding blueprint, you have the tools to create a brand that captivates, resonates, and inspires. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of brand positioning and watch your brand soar to new heights. Ready to create a brand that leaves a lasting impression? Subscribe now for more top tips for entrepreneurs and dive deeper into the branding blueprint. Your journey to branding brilliance starts here. Don't miss out. Subscribe now.
I hope this video has inspired you to start your own small business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more top tips for entrepreneurs. We'll be sharing more videos on how to start and grow your own business, achieve financial freedom, and live your best life. Thanks for watching.